Clifford's Puppy Days by Norman Bridwell. Hi, my name is Werner. I've been reading hundreds of books for you. Please subscribe to see them all. And watch until the end, where a surprise is waiting for you. Mom can help you there. Thank you. Hi, we are Clifford and Emily Elizabeth. Clifford is my dog. He is pretty big. Clifford wasn't always so big. When he was a puppy, he was very, very small. I had to be careful when I played with him. He was too small to fetch a ball. Poor little Clifford. He wanted to play with my toys. They were too big, but he liked the merry-go-round I made for him. On cold winter days, Clifford found snuggly warm places to sleep. Like my cat. We put a clock by his bed at night. The ticking seemed to lull him to sleep. Once I forgot to turn off the alarm. At first, I gave Clifford a bath in our bathtub. He slipped off the soap one day and I almost lost him. After that, I bathed him in a soup bowl. Daddy was surprised when I told him what I had used for Clifford's bathtub. It was fun having such a small puppy, but Clifford was easy to lose. One day my aunt came to visit. When she left, we looked all over for our small red puppy. My aunt found him in the bake shop. Clifford was scared. He plopped into the cream puffs. Then he ran through the pies. The baker tried to catch him, but Clifford climbed up the wedding cake and landed in the whipped cream. The baker was a little upset. What a mess! My aunt didn't know what to do. She didn't want to bring Clifford home looking like that. A small boy with a big dog had an idea. He said his dog loved whipped cream. In no time Clifford was all cleaned up. I was so happy to have Clifford home again. The dog who brought him to me was the biggest dog I had ever seen. Until Clifford grew up. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. Enjoy my new series Oliver and Jumpy. 19 video books with about 500 pictures. There's text, but I also read it aloud for the younger children. I have written 65 stories and had them illustrated at great cost for your children's fun. Oliver is an elegant tomcat and Jumpy is his lady friend. Oliver loves to ride in Jumpy's pouch when they go for adventures together. Please find a link to the first book in the description of this video. Please always subscribe and like if you find my effort interesting. Thank you so much.